Good Wednesday, everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith on another day where we have drizzle, light rain, fog, just damp and dreary conditions, and more showers are going to be in the forecast offing for the next couple of days. But the weekend is shaping up to look much better as we head and approach Mother's Day, and of course next week temperatures getting back to normal. So this is the video forecast discussion for this Wednesday, which is the 4th of May, 2016. Lots of low clouds around the region this morning, some light rain too across interior northern New Jersey, northeastern Pennsylvania scattered about as this disturbance heads to the north and east, and there is more rain that will be coming in for later this afternoon too. We have an onshore marine flow, so temperatures are generally running about 50 degrees just about everywhere across the forecast region. Lots of low clouds, drizzle, and just damp and dreary conditions with some fog scattered around the region as well during this morning's hour. Watches, warnings, and advisories, we seem to have lost them here. Here we go. We have a coastal flood advisory for the New Jersey coastal waters until 6 p.m. from 6 p.m. tonight till 11 p.m. this evening, and that's for the New Jersey and Delaware areas along the Delaware Bay. Coastal flooding, minor flooding is anticipated around the time of this evening's high tide cycle, which is going to vary between 6 and 7 p.m. this evening, so you want to be on the lookout for that if you live along coastal regions here. Meanwhile, we have small craft advisories on the ocean fronts here. This is from 9 o'clock this morning until 6 this evening, and that will be for slowly building seas at 5 to 7 feet. The highest seas tonight and Thursday, northeast winds at 15 to 20 knots, gust up to 30 knots late this afternoon and early this evening. South Shore and east ends of Long Island, small craft advisories in effect until 6 on Thursday, and that's for northeast winds at 10 to 20 knots, gust up to 30 knots, and seas averaging 3 to 6 feet. Also for coastal northern shores of Long Island and coastal southern Connecticut, we have coastal flood statements as well. Morning pass visible satellite imagery this morning. Lots of low clouds across the region, as is evident, and also on the water vapor channel as well, with this big disturbance here off the Carolina coast heading out into the ocean. We have this area of light rain around the region this morning. That is going to move to the north and east, and then there's more rain coming in for later this afternoon. Larger scale view of the water vapor channel overlaid with sea level pressure and Doppler radar shows this disturbance heading to the north and east, but notice the upper level low here that is developing across the Great Lakes with a cold front attached to it. This will be meandering very slowly over the forecast region over the next several days with impulses within the flow wrapping up, and a northeast wind and an easterly wind means rainfall and showery rain will be on the way on and off for the next several days. On the aviation weather deck this morning, we have limited IFR, IFR, and MVFR conditions, and generally IFR conditions with patchy 2 to 5 mile visibilities and periods of showers, patchy fog, and drizzle this morning. Timing of the rain and drizzle less than certain. Isolated thunder not impossible per the GFS. Instability aloft, mainly Delmarva, southeastern Pennsylvania, southern New Jersey. Otherwise, a northeast wind gust up to 15 to 20 knots in the vicinity of Atlantic City and Philly. For tonight, generally IFR, patchy 2 to 5 miles and scattered showers, diminishing or ending, exiting northeast, early patchy drizzle and fog in the wake of the shower departure. Possible limited IFR conditions later tonight. Northeast winds gust up to 15 to 20 knots, South Jersey. Thursday through Friday, MVFR, IFR ceilings persist with an onshore flow. Weak low pressure near the coast. Times of showers expected as well, with the most widespread activity occurring on Friday. Northeast winds 10 to 15 knots or less at night, with higher speeds mainly closer to the coast. Saturday and Sunday, MVFR and IFR ceilings possible to start Saturday, and then improvement to VFR should occur. Some showers are possible as one system departs on Saturday, and then a cold front moves through mainly Sunday morning. The wind shift to the northwest Saturday, and then light southwest at night before shifting back to the northwest and increasing to 10 to 15 knots with drier conditions on Sunday. So there is hope, my friends. Right now outside of Newark, 51 degrees, dew point 47, humidity 86%. The wind is northeast at 7, a little bit of light rain, visibility is 10 miles. Light rain showers and drizzle around the region this morning. In Philadelphia, we're in IFR, 51, dew point 47, humidity 86%. The wind is northeast at 12, low clouds and visibilities and light rain and drizzle across the region. And your pollen forecast for the next couple of days is going to be on the medium to high side, returning to the much higher side with much drier conditions and northwest winds on Sunday. So allergy medication will continue to be a must. Looking at your forecast charts, it's like a wash, rinse, repeat kind of a day. Through the end of the week here, we have this area of low pressure, spokes of low pressure along the coast, the upper level low filling gradually and moving towards the coast over the next several days. So periods of showers and rainy weather will be anticipated for on and off throughout the next couple of days. A new system coming into the Intermountain West as well. With those onshore winds today, it's going to be chilly, about 10 to 15 degrees below where we should be at this time of the year. We should be up to near 70, and today, well, not going to get there. Temperatures with a northeast wind or an east wind generally running in the low to the mid 50s everywhere. Same wash, rinse, repeat kind of weather for tomorrow. Temperatures again mid to upper 50s. Pretty raw conditions on Friday. Temperatures are rebounding a little bit, upper 50s to around 60. Saturday, that's where everything begins to increase and change as the cold front moves through. A few showers around the region early, and then, well, basically nice weather. Improving conditions on Saturday afternoon. Temperatures getting back up into the upper 60s to around 70 in Philadelphia. Look at this on Sunday, Mother's Day. Temperatures again close to 70, maybe 72 in Philly. Mid and upper 60s everywhere else. Even at the coast, it's going to be a nice day out there on Sunday as well. A few spokes of clouds and maybe a shower, but other than that, everything's looking good for Monday. Temperatures get back into the upper 60s and lower 70s, and we continue that trend in the upper 60s to mid 70s as we head into Tuesday of next week. Start off with the HRR high resolution rapid refresh model this morning as the rain showers exit. More rain showers developing in the upper level trough here across Pennsylvania and into New Jersey and the New York City metropolitan area on and off over the next 24 hours. If we extrapolate this out and move into the 4-kilometer man model for tomorrow night, again, showers around. Here's our upper level low spinning through the Ohio and Tennessee River Valley. Spokes of moisture coming in from off the ocean, marine influence in place, and more spotty showers across the region on Thursday night, and into Friday. Friday looks like the wettest day right now as the low consolidates off the coast, and then eventually we just have a series of low pressure areas here dwindling about, circumnavigating the upper flow here, and that means more showery weather coming in, especially during the day on Friday afternoon and Friday night. Some of the rainfall could be locally heavy. And finally, as we head into Friday afternoon and into the weekend, that rain begins to come down in earnest on Friday afternoon and Friday night. It's still spinning around here a little bit, piddling around here early on Saturday morning before everything moves out. And then this cold front will be moving into the region Saturday night and Sunday morning with some more showers before everything clears out. Saturday afternoon, here comes the cold front, and it's going to move through on Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, with a few spotty showers mainly to the north and across the Hudson River Valley, New York, northwestern New Jersey, the Poconos, New York City. Portion south may not see much in the way of any rainfall from this, and then high pressure begins to build in during the day on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and it looks like conditions will be improving nicely before the next warm front approaches on Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening with, again, moisture. So once again, we do need the rain, and thankfully it's happening during the week, and hopefully everything will begin to dry out much more appreciably as we head into Mother's Day weekend. For everything live, it's GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. You make it the best Wednesday that you can, and we'll be back bright and early on Thursday morning.